Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can unlock your Electrolux dryer, and there are multiple types, so I'm going to show you what works for most of them. So on one of the types, you are going to have this kind of like lock symbol between two buttons. You're going to have for dryness and temp primarily. And what you have to do is you want to press dryness and temp and just hold for 3 to 5 seconds, and you're going to unlock it. So this is the first thing. Maybe you can have it for between dryness and time, the lock button. Another way, you're gonna have when it's going to be like extra increase button, where under it you're gonna have again the lock symbol, and again you just have to press the extra increase for about 2 to 5 seconds. And then another one that I prepared for you is another Electrolux dryer, where you can have again press and hold the extra increase button for about 2 seconds, and that's how you're gonna do it. Super simple and super easy. So it either is going to be one button, or you are going to have 2 buttons, and that's it. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.